Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Naya. I create videos about budgeting, organizing, and savings. I created this channel in order to stay accountable towards my goals, and in today's video I wanted to come to you guys and show you one of the challenges that I'm currently doing about savings. And this is a good way if you are on a budget or on a strict income, or if you are on a strict budget or on low income, this is a perfect challenge for you. If you would like to know more information, stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching. Okay, with this particular savings challenge, you're going to add money according to the day. So what I mean is, when you first start off, you're going to start off with 1 penny. And then on day 2, you're going to add 2 pennies. Day 3, you're going to add 3 pennies. Day 4, you're going to add 4 pennies. And so on the 365th day, you should add $3.65 into your deposit, your bank, or whatever it is that you're putting the money into. And you should, at the 365-day mark, you should have $667.95. Yes, so it's basically that simple. You're just going to add a penny a day, and you're going to double it and go on and go on. And as you do it, you're going to mark the days off. And at the end of each week, it tells you where you're at. So this particular line, it ends at 18. So that's 18 day. That's the 18th day. And then it's going to go on and on and on until you get to 365 days. And so as you do it, you check it off. So this is what I have so far that I have added, and I have been adding, and I got the change from just purchases that I made. I've collected the change aside from my roundups. This is what I'm using for that, and so I've added that into here. So I'm going to count this with you guys and show you what I have so far, because I am currently on the 46th day. And this is a really good challenge for those who are just literally just starting off, really on a strict income, and you have no leeway. This is a good way because you're only letting go of a penny, 2 pennies, and the most you're letting go in a day is $3.65, because that's 365 days. So this is what, for today, I'm supposed to add 46 cents, and I have 25, 35, 45, 46 cents to add to my deposit. Well, yes, to deposit into my tray, which I have to get a bigger jar. I'm gonna go tomorrow and get a mason jar from the 99-cent only store, and that way I have a jar for this particular savings challenge. So let's see how much. I should have $11.19 if my calculations is correct. So let's see how much I have, because I think this one actually is the easiest way. You can actually do this. Your kids can actually do this. This is a good one to do, because that way, every day they're staying accountable to, this is a good amount for a child to do, because they'll have $667 at the end of their savings if they're not currently doing YouTube or something else. This is a good way to help them, learn how to save, learn how to manage money. This is a great, excellent way, because this I'm doing for myself, like I'm doing the other challenges as well, to see, how easy it is. And then for my kids, I have the other one that I'm going for them, where they started off with a quarter. So this is also good because it's every day. And so I'll have this particular challenge linked in the description box below through a Pinterest link. And I'll have other challenges that are similar to this one. If you don't want to do this one, it has other options. If you look to my description box below, I have a link to my other videos about the one that I did for the 25 cents starting off, or the one where you start off with $1 as well. I also have the 1s, 5s, 10s challenge as well. I'm link in the description box below as well. Let me know your guys' thoughts about, let me know your guys' thoughts about this particular challenge, what you guys think about it, your thoughts. It's 5, 6, 7, guys tell me how you guys this weekend is going, or how your week is going. You guys having a wonderful day. That's $1. So this is 19 cents. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 19. So that's 11.19 that I have so far in the jar. So what I'm gonna do is at the end of every month, I'll check in to see where I am so far, and I want to know what you guys think about this particular challenge below. Would this be something that you guys are willing to try out, or is this like you think it's just not worth it? But I think $667 is good if you start off with 1 penny. So yeah, so I thank you guys so much for watching, and this is one of those challenges that you're excited to do. I know I'm super excited about it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Yes, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. And yes, you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, a wonderful rest of your week, and enjoy your weekend. So have a wonderful day. All right. Bye, guys.